Oh, why do I always do that? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Don't take the mickey out of my hair. It's definitely a it was definitely an expectation versus reality kind of look. Yeah, I saw a little tutorial on TikTok and she had like this like faux hawk going on here, and like I think she had blonde hair and she stuck these like fancy tattoos here. It was like a Viking kind of, yeah. And this is I only watched the video once because I thought it looked so simple that I would definitely be able to do that quite early in the morning, so be nice. And we're just gonna do a quick little unenveloping. This is the Feel Unique Pick and Mix. I've had this for a couple of weeks. I just haven't done a video for it because I was waiting for a product. So I'll explain that in a second. So this is the Feel Unique Pick and Mix. I have done quite a few of these videos. I love them. It is such a good, easy, cheap way of sampling products. That some of them are quite an expensive product, and there's nothing worse than paying out for something that you've like seen and you're like, oh yeah, that's fancy, I'm gonna get me some of that, and then you don't like it. It's horrible. It doesn't go well. I'm rambling. So Feel Unique Pick and Mix is a service that Feel Unique do. So you can go on and you can pick up to 5 sample products. That can be anything from their list. They've got pages upon pages of perfumes, moisturisers, eye creams, toners, hair products, makeup products, just so much. And you pay for postage and packing. That's it. You get, I think it's like $3.95, and you get your 5 sample items. Gives you a good chance to try that moisturiser you've always wanted. Make sure it doesn't break you out in any way. I was going to say I'm truly out of wang of doing these videos, but I don't think I was ever in wang with doing these videos. Feel Unique Pick and Mix, I've been doing it for quite a long time and I love it. I absolutely love it. I especially love the perfumes. That is my favourite. This month has come in a envelope. I mentioned at the beginning that I was waiting to do this because there was a problem. Basically, I had ordered a one of these, the La Roche Posay, whatever it's called, skin sunscreen, but I wanted the tinted one. And originally when I brought this last year, I thought I'd purchase the tinted one. It came, it wasn't the tinted one, and it was like, oh damn it. So I saw it on Feel Unique and I was like, yes, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get the tinted one just so I can try it and see if it is any good or not. They sent it to me. Here it is here. They sent me the wrong one. They didn't send me the tinted one. So I got in contact with them. I know it's just a sample one, but I've already got the non-tinted one. This is a 50 SPF, so it will be still used and much loved. It is one of my favourite, if not the favourite, SPF that I use on my face. So they sent me the one that was not tinted, so I got into contact with them and they're all out of the tinted one. So I thought I might as well just do the video anyway. Sippy. So I've got my 5 items here, and we might as well look straight at the very first one. So these samples, they are samples. Some of them are just a one-use sample, but a lot of them you can get more than one use out of them. So look how cute this is as well. I mean, these they're just perfect for when we are allowed to go away again, and we can take our little samples. These are great for a weekend. Perfumes, perfect for a weekend away. So this is the SPF 50, very high protection, and as you can hear, it's a very liquidous product. You've seen me use this a few times. It doesn't put a cast on your skin, on your face or anything like that. It smells divine. It does not smell like a normal SPF. It just, oh, I don't know, it is so nice. It soaks right in and it's perfect for on its own or underneath your makeup. So I will definitely use that. It's just a shame that it isn't the tinted one like I wanted. The next item that I have is this. This is the Sol de Janeiro perfume. So it is famous for its bum cream, and I did, through FabFitFun, receive a cream, so an all over moisturiser, and a shower gel. When I got it, I was expecting it to smell like coconut, like pineapple, tropical. I was expecting tropical smells, and it doesn't smell like that at all. It doesn't smell like that. It smells of shea butter. It was a lovely cream. It was a really nice cream. It was really good, and I used all of the shower gel and I used all of the lotion, but the smell just wasn't there for me. So I don't know why I've brought this. But this is the perfume. So let me just drink my last bit of tea after rambling. You've probably seen them. So they come in little, I think this is a 2 ml, or this is a 1 ml bottle, sorry. Let's have a look. Brazilian Bum Cream lovers, this fragrance is your dream come true. Okay, so it is supposed to be notes of salted caramel, pistachio, jasmine petals and vanilla. The scent of summer. See, that isn't, to me, that isn't the scent of summer. Ah, yes. So yeah, so I was saying it was shea butter, but it wasn't. It was obviously salted caramel. I never knew what, I just thought it was shea butter. Okay, that makes more sense now. I like the smell, but I wouldn't put it through. I wouldn't put it as a summer fragrance. Summer, a tropical, like, is to me coconut and all those exotic fruits. Anyway, let's spray. Oh yeah, that smells exactly like the Bum Cream. It's very strong, and it is, yeah, it is just salted. It is salted caramel. It is lovely as a perfume. Yes, it is lovely as a perfume, and I did like it as a body lotion and everything. I just didn't understand how everyone was saying it was summer and tropical and things like that. Everyone's illusion of how something smells is very, very different. So we already know that. Okay, the next item we've got is a CeraVe SA. I don't know why I'm moving out of the way of it, as if it's massive. Look, did you see that? Whoa, how big is that? This is the SA Soothing Cream for dry, rough, bumpy skin. So you get 7 millilitres in here. Exfoliates, softens and smooths rough skin while helping restore the skin's barrier with 3 essential ceramides, urea and salicylic acid and it's a fragrance free. I have never tried anything from this brand, but I've always wanted to buy the cleanser. It comes in a massive bottle. I've always wanted to try that. So is this for all over? Is this just skin? I was going to say, is this just for face? Doesn't really. I gather you could use it anywhere. I'm not going to open that because I'm sure people get annoyed with me because of some of the things that I do. I buy these and I'm like, I'm not going to open it because I don't want to open it yet. I don't want to open it because I want to save it for another day. But yes, if you have tried that or any of the products from that range, then that brand, let me know, because I have been wanting to try it, but I feel that once again, if it's been hyped up so much, I'm going to want it to do everything and it will turn out to be meh. The next perfume I got was from Replica. Oh, flippin' heck. This is originally By the Fireplace. Burning Wood and Chestnut. And this is a male and female fragrance. And I love all of the Replica. I would love all of them. Just all of them. One day I'm going to start collecting them. You're talking about 90 quid for a bottle. So this is a perfect way just to make sure that you do enjoy the smell before you go out and buy it. There hasn't been a smell that I haven't loved from them, so I'm gonna take the dive and start purchasing. I'm gonna have a look and see if any of them are on offer. Then I might treat myself to a bottle, just until I have the entire collection. So these are called Replica, and they're supposed to replicate a certain time, a certain moment, and they get it so good, so good. So this is By the Fireplace. And this comes in a slightly larger bottle of 1.2 millilitres. Right, we're going in for the sniff. Oh my lord. Oh, that is... I think I would prefer... oh, that is definitely burnt wood. Burnt wood. I think I would prefer that on a man. I don't like that on me. That is the first one that I'm probably going to say I don't love it. But I do. Maybe it will be a little less burnt wood. I know that's what the scent is supposed to be, but it does literally smell like fire. Yeah, I don't think I like that one 100%. I would probably prefer that on a man. It's taken my breath away. That is probably my least favourite one from them. But we can't love them all, can we? Okay, last one. This is from Tanologicalist. And this is Face and Body Drops. And I got medium. And this comes in a little 0.7 millilitres. Oh, you tight buggers. And this comes on a little card, tiny little sachet. Your glow, your shade, your way. Designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup or body care. Tanologicalist self-tan drops are easy to apply and 100% customable. You love the way I talk. The more drops you add equals the darker your tan. Getting bronzed has never been easier. Our skin-saving trio of pink grapefruit, goji berry and juniper works to brighten, soften and hydrate. Plus, no blocked pores, no drying effect on the skin, and no tan transfer onto your sheets or clothes. It's clean, vegan and cruelty free. So I will be giving that a go, just not here on camera because I'm not going to. So that was all. That's all I got from my Feel Unique pick and mix for that. It was basically last month I got these, and I've just been waiting for them to get back to me. But hey, this whole bag is full of samples. This is my little sample bag and I love it. I love all of my samples very much. Anyway, that was all. If you get Feel Unique pick and mix, then let me know what you have got, which one is a winner for you, which items you have purchased from getting the samples, and oh, let me put that down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free. It's free to comment, it's free to like, and it's free to subscribe. And I would appreciate it very, very much. I will see you all later. Have a good day. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.